It's good to know what you can adjust in the settings on any device you use for your business. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you some of the more important settings on your Point Smart Terminal. To reach the settings, swipe down twice from the home page and tap Settings. I'm going to talk about business settings first. In business settings, you'll be able to turn SMS, email, and paper receipt on or off by moving the corresponding slider to the right or left. You can enable customer feedback requests on email and text receipts by simply moving the slider to the right. You can set up taxes for the terminal app and add additional business users. You'll also see some contact and business details, but it's read-only here. If you need to make adjustments, you'll need to do that from your account using a browser. Store profile information will display the end of day and show you if payments, deposits, and refunds are enabled or disabled. Account details displays some of the banking information that you use to set up your GoDaddy Payments account. Let's go back to settings and cover a few more things. If you tap Software Updates, you can tap Check for Software Update to see if there are any updates. It's always important to have the most recent software update on the Smart Terminal. Tapping Accessory will take you to the Accessory Manager. You can connect accessories, enable or disable the printer, and adjust any cache drawers that you've connected. You'll also be able to see additional business, store, GoDaddy Payments, and hardware information in the other settings. I hope this quick tour of the settings on the Point Smart Terminal was helpful. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.